All right, so in the first problem, we have z over z squared minus 2z minus 3 plus 4 over z plus 1. So we're going to factor this. This factors into 3 and 1, negative 3, positive 1. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3, negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. So we have z over z minus 3, z plus 1, plus 4 over z plus 1. So now we need the same denominator. So we're going to multiply this one by z minus 3, and we're going to do it to the top and to the bottom. Now that the denominators are the same, we're going to write that denominator, and we have our numerators on top, z plus 4, z minus 3. Now we can't cancel these out because of the plus sign, so what we do instead is distribute. We get 4z minus 12. 4z and z make 5z minus 12, and then you put it over your denominator, z plus 1, z minus 3. So this is our final answer. In our last problem, we have 10 over y minus 1 plus 1 over y equals 12 over 11. Again, we want the same denominators. We're going to put 11 here, and we're going to do it to the top and to the bottom. Where the 11 comes from is here. We're also going to include y. The y came from here. What's missing here is the 11, so you do it to the top and bottom, and y minus 1. The y minus 1 came from there, so top and bottom. This one's missing y, and also y minus 1. Okay, since the denominators are the same, right, we can add. So here's our same denominator, and then we have our numerators. 11 times 10y plus 11 times 1 times y minus 1 equals 12y, y minus 1 over 11y, y minus 1. Okay, so 11 times 10y, that gives us 110y. Plus 11 times y minus 1. So we have 110y plus 11y minus 11 when we distribute. When you combine these, 110 plus 11 would give us 121y minus 11 all over 11y, y minus 1 equals, when we distribute this, we'd have 12y squared minus 12y over 11y, y minus 1. Now to get rid of this denominator, let's multiply by 11y, y minus 1 to both sides. So 11y cancels 11y, y minus 1 cancels here. 11y cancels, y minus 1 cancels, so we're just left with 121y minus 11 equals 12y squared minus 12y. So we're going to subtract 121y and add 11. So these cancel out and we get 0 equals 12y squared. 121 plus 12 gives us 133y plus 11. So now to factor this, 12 times 11 gives us, we need to multiply and get 132 and add and get negative 133. So it's going to be 132 and 1, negative 132 times negative 1 is positive 132. 132 minus 1 is negative 133. So we're going to break this up as negative 132y minus 1y plus 11, and then the 12y squared. When you circle these, what's common is 12y, then you open up parentheses, y minus 132 divided by 12 gives us 11 minus 1, y minus 11. Negative 1 times y is negative y, negative 1 times negative 11 is positive 11. So then we have 12y minus 1, y minus 11 equals 0. Now we set each of them equal to 0. So when we add 11, we get y equals 11. When we add 1, we get 12y equals 1, divide by 12, so y equals 1/12. So we have two answers.